Hey everyone, today we are going to be using green screen and I'll teach you guys how to insert it, make sure it formats correctly, and everything about that. So first thing we're going to do is make sure we have a clip in, and then in another video track, which you can do by right clicking and pressing add video track, you're going to want to get your clip. So right here, you just have a simple subscribe with the notification bell over here, and what we want to do here, drag it and drop it wherever you want. In this case, it doesn't really matter to me, but we're going to put it right here just for the video. And after that, you're going to hit the plus arrow under filter. So if you're on properties, you want to head to filters, click it, go under video, then switch up chroma key. And you're going to want to pick the simple one because it's just the most optimal, easy one in terms of being a basic editor. So you click it, it should be for the most part set up, but if you hover over this, you can see there's a small green line under it. So what we want to do is change that, and right here is distance, which we can change it and see how it fades in and fades out. We're at 0, all the green showing, and eventually we'll get to that sweet spot right here where there's no green surrounding it, and you can always see the subscribe button. So if you check it out, it's really good, and it's really simple on SHOTCUT. They make it really easy on the user, it's really user friendly, and yeah, it's pretty simple. And let's see how it plays out in the video. Now in this case, obviously it wasn't in the best position, but obviously you can find different clips and make other little like slide-ins that are more optimal for this kind of situation. But for the simplicity of this video, we're just gonna use this one. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and like. If it did help you, comment down below and make sure to like. And I just want you guys to comment other things that you'd like to see on this channel, because obviously on my main channel we're just going to be uploading many montages nowadays because of all this editing we're doing. So just comment more editing things you want to see, and yeah, peace out.